Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel MTN GH. If today is your first time here, kindly like, share, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. Do as well to turn on the notification bell so you get updates on my channel. Alright guys, so today I'm going to take you through how to create your restore point and also repair your PC, okay, in the event of a critical problem. Alright guys, so in creating a restore point for Windows 10, restore point is automatically disabled, so you would have to enable your system restore point, okay, in order to create restore point periodically by default. So I'm going to show you the steps in doing that and also show you how to restore your machine to the previous working state. Okay, so the restore point is just like a time machine, okay, that allows you to revert system changes in the event of installing Windows update or an app or something. Okay, you could just revert these changes and go back to your previous working state. So that's all about system restore point, and it's good as well, so you don't know what happens in the future. It's just like insurance. Okay, so you just create one, so in the event when you find yourself wanting, you just go back to the previous working state on your PC. So let's get started.